Hello, my name is Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm very excited to roll out my new personalized app. That's a download your own personalized searching app for real estate. Now, what's great about it is it's so easy to use, it's easy to download, and it's customized specifically for you. One of the issues we're dealing with right now is finding real estate that is available and not pending as quick as possible, because there's a low inventory of homes, a big pent-up demand for buyers wanting to buy, and a historically low rate of 2.65. So that's causing deep anxiety if you're not prepared. And we want to inform you every step of the way. So this app will help you zero in on the property of your dreams and make it a reality. So if you're interested, just go ahead and download it. It's real easy to use. Go ahead and play with the features. A lot of times people search by school districts, location, areas, neighborhoods. So you can just go ahead and draw a circle around what you want. Check this out. This is really state of the art. It's the gold standard in searching. So if you want the most up-to-date searching mechanism, this is the one you want. If you have any questions, reach out to me. My name's Dominic Fonte, Cutler Real Estate at 330-418-1535. Or if you want to send me an email, go to dominic@dominicfonte.com, or check out my over 300 five-star reviews at www.dominicfonte.com. Check it out.